Hello students, now today we are going to discuss question number 6 of exercise 3.3. Take the data giving the minimum and the maximum temperature of various cities given in the beginning of this chapter 3.1, that is the table number 3.1. Plot double bar graph using the data and answer the following questions. Now, which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given date? I read the question once again. Which city has the largest difference in the minimum and the maximum temperature on the given date? Which is the hottest and which is the coldest city? Which is the hottest and which is the coldest city? Name two cities where the maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of other. Name the city which has the least difference between minimum and the maximum temperature. Now you can see they say table 3.1. Table 3.1, actually it is this table. So you can see in the book, it is table 3.1. Right? So what is given in the table? Temperatures of cities as on 2006. City name is Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu, Mumbai. And temperature maximum is how much? 38 and minimum 29. Here 37, 26. Now let me see what is the difference. See what is the difference between minimum and maximum temperature. I wrote here it is 9 because 9 plus 29 plus 9 38. So you can subtract to get the answer. And here you can see the difference is 11 degree. Here it is 7 degree and here it is 9 degree. And you can see the difference here it is 10 degree and Jaipur. What is the difference? It is 10 degree. Jammu it is 15 and here it is 5 degree. Now 21 and 41 degree Celsius. Now 21 is the lowest temperature and Jammu is got highest temperature, that is 41 degree. Now let us see the first part. Which city has the largest difference in the minimum and the maximum temperature on the given date? So which city has the largest difference? So you can see which city has the largest difference. You can see here Jammu is the answer. And where is Jammu? You can see there is a gap, maximum gap is there between these two. And you can calculate here also. See the gap between this, you can see that I got here 15 degree is the gap. So which one is the, you can see here it is 9, 11, 7, 9, 10, 10, 15, 5. So where is maximum? In Jammu is the answer. So Jammu is the answer here. Now how we have drawn the bar graph? Already you know. City name is independent and temperature is dependent. So I will write here city and this is city here and this is temperature. Right? Now you can see here this is city. I am writing here. I will underline here with the blue so that you can know temperature. This is temperature and this is city. Now, the second part, which is the hottest and which is the coldest city? I already underlined here, you can see which is the coldest. I underlined here with the pink color and it is here Bangalore. You can see here Bangalore is where here I shown in short BG. So you can see 21 degree is the coldest, right? And which is the hottest one? You can see here underlined here Jammu. So Jammu is the hottest one. Jammu is the hottest one. You can see here highest one is Jammu. You can see Jammu is the answer. Now, second, name two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of other. So you can see here maximum temperature of one. So I have given the answer here Bangalore and Jaipur. Bangalore, what is the temperature here? 38. And what is the temperature minimum here? 28. Sorry, Bangalore and Jaipur. So Bangalore I am taking, sorry. Bangalore is this one. This one is Bangalore and Jaipur. Jaipur is which one? This one. Now you compare this. So 39 and what is the minimum here? 20. Minimum is 29. And the Bangalore is highest is 28. So this is the lowest temperature of Jaipur is also more than maximum of Bangalore. You can see here 29, 28. So is one answer. One more answer is also possible. Bangalore and Ahmedabad. So Bangalore is this one is Bangalore and Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is this one. Ahmedabad I have shown here. So this one. So this one. You can see here 38 and 29. 29. So 29 less than 29 is 28. So here comes 28. You can see 29 is less than 28. So these two are there. One this pair Bangalore and Jaipur, and one is Ahmedabad and Bangalore. Right here, this third part. And now the next one, name the city which has the least difference between the minimum temperature and maximum temperature. Least means less difference. So in which year less gap is there? You can see here 5 degrees is the gap. Where is there? Mumbai. And this is, you can see less gap is there. The answer is Mumbai. What is the answer here? Mumbai is the answer. This is the only question here. Let me discuss this question once again. In short, I am saying take the data given in the table. You can see the table here. We have to answer the following questions. Now, which city has the largest difference in the minimum and the maximum temperature on the given date? On the given date. Right here. What is the date here? This date they are saying. This is the date they are saying. 26, 2006. Right? 26, 2006. Which city has the now maximum is largest difference? You can see here Jammu is the answer. So Jammu has got how much maximum difference? Which city has largest difference? So Jammu, you can see here, I have shown here Jammu by, so you can see what is the gap here in Jammu? 15 degrees the gap. So we got such answer 15 degrees. Now you can see the next one, which is the hottest and the coldest city. So hottest is which one? You can see here Jammu, and the coldest is Bangalore. You can see. Now, third one, name 2 cities where maximum temperature was less than the minimum temperature of other. So you can see we got the answer already I cleared here. One is Bangalore, Jaipur, and one is Bangalore, Ahmedabad. You can see here. Now next one, name the city which has the least difference. The answer is Mumbai. And this table you have to see on the starting page, it is given in the textbook of this exercise, this chapter. And I think your doubts will be over of this question, and this exercise completes here. And I complete my video over of this question of this exercise 3.3. Thank you everyone.